Oh, oh, oh! Oh, shit! Oh!
Got a blast!
No fucking way.
Did it get out?
Babe,
What?
where's your phone? Where's your phone?
It's on the phone!
Where's your phone? Where is your phone?
I don't know.
Look who's paying us a fucking visit.
Babe, do it.
I ain't cutting this big ass shit. Oh, look at this nigga just breakdancing on my fucking dashboard. Oh my god. Get your ass up and get on, bro. Oh!
Did it fly out?
There. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna go check out that Popeyes chicken sandwich, see what the hype's about, and we're gonna compare it to Chick-fil-A's. Man, we are excited to put this video together for y'all, man. We have not posted nothing in I think a month and a half, going on 2 maybe, so we are sorry. We're gonna get into this, and first we're gonna have to try to find this fucking chicken sandwich from Popeyes because we're on our way to our second one right now.
Yeah. And then if they don't have it at this one, I know another one in Long Beach.
So we on a mission, Popeyes. We there. Yo, this line is crazy, bro. Like, people are outside in the sun waiting.
This fucking sandwich better be worth the hype. That's all I'm saying.
Alright, you guys, so we finally got our Chick-fil-A sandwich, spicy sandwich, and our Popeyes original and hot.
Which one are we trying first?
Let's
try the Chick-fil-A.
Let's try the Chick-fil-A just
because we
because
kind of already know like what it tastes like.
I've never tried a Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich.
Bruh.
Not out there. But their lemonade for sure is like kill. Like, I want something. This plain? Like, no. That's how they come?
Yes. That's a big ass bite.
This is a good chicken sandwich.
Bomb.
That's a good chicken sandwich. I don't really like spicy like that, but that's good. This is what we really here for, right here. Because we waited a fucking hour. Oh, here it is.
This one's mine.
I still want to try it though.
So I got the spicy one and he got like the classic. That's what it's called, right?
Original. Oh, shit, that.
Is it good? Is it worth the hype? Where do they put pickles?
I'm sorry, but this one, the original, is like,
Whatever?
I ain't waiting an hour again to get this fucking chicken sandwich.
Okay.
I'm definitely not. You could look, try it and let me know what you think. Let me see.
Nope.
Fire. This is actually really good. I'm not, now that I'm like washing this shit down, it's actually a good chicken sandwich, but I'm not waiting no hour.
This tastes more like in a weird way, this tastes healthier than the Chick-fil-A one.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Bad boy about. I'm gonna take y'all inside my meat.
I like the Chick-fil-A one way better.
Why the fuck are y'all waiting an hour
Yeah.
for these chicken sandwiches, bro? Why? Like, this is crazy.
I see why certain people would like it though.
It
The
is
chicken
not
is,
worth
like-
waiting an hour. Take your ass to Crimson
Chick-fil-A.
Coward or Chick-fil-A. Don't go wait no hour, bro. Don't don't waste your time. But it is good. If
I
I
feel
got,
like it's missing something.
it is. I thought it was gonna be like more juicier, like more flavor.
Yeah, like I feel like the flavor is like not there.
The bread's good. It has a good like crunch on it. Not too crunchy, but still crunchy. But for an hour, dog, an hour of waiting, I do not think it's worth that much time.
Yeah, I don't either.
I honestly didn't really like the Chick-fil-A one though. Like I think it was too spicy for me. I don't like spicy.
You like this one better?
Easy. The chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A is a lot better with the sauce. The sauce made everything better. See? But it doesn't come with the sauce. We're judging the chicken sandwich as how it comes. It's not all that.
Yeah, it's not. Like I'm highly disappointed that we waited that long.
Mm-hmm. The chicken sandwich is better than Chick-fil-A's. Come on.
No, I don't think so.
What?
Nigga, you just fucked up the whole Chick-fil-A sandwich and you're talking about...
Nigga, no I didn't. It's
Yes,
right
you
here.
did.
I took 2 bites out of it.
No, you didn't.
You sound crazy. I don't know, you guys. Y'all go try it out. Y'all go check it yourselves and let us know what y'all think. But
If you guys have tried it, you should comment below and tell us which one you guys like better. I'm team Chick-fil-A. Ew, what the fuck?
woo!
What? I'm cool.
I'm team Popeyes.
Yeah, not me.
Team Popeyes. The bread's way better too, bro. They just need like a little more dressing on the sandwich. It's like no dressing. Look at that. Like, did they spit on my shit? Like,
It's crunchier.
hey, the more I'm eating it, it's good. It's a good chicken sandwich. But my point is, it's not worth a 1 hour wait. If you got an hour to spare, go get you this chicken sandwich. You dig?
I like it because the chicken's crunchy, but I don't think it has like enough flavor for such a big old sandwich like that.
Yeah, they should have put some more like dressing on it.
Like seasoned it more. I don't know. Or like, you know how at Crimson Coward they put like the coleslaw in it? Like something like that would have been cool too. Like if they did that.
People don't like it. A lot of people don't like coleslaw. I love coleslaw. Slap that shit on here. I'm giving this shit like a 10.
The coleslaw from Belly Bombs is so good. Excuse me. Okay, rate the Chick-fil-A sandwich. 1 through 10. I got my blue lemonade, by the way.
Chick-fil-A sandwich. I don't like spicy. It's too spicy for me, so I'll give it like a 7. It's a good sandwich. It's good. Give it a
Are
7.
you drinking mine?
See? You're the one that was fucking up the drink.
No.
I'll keep mine over here. On this side. You can get none of mine. You try to... She was like, let's order our separate drinks because you be fucking drinking the soda fast. I was like, bet.
You do.
I'm like, you doing me a favor. And now look.
Fucking asshole.
And now she ain't got shit. You know what I got? Move. Nope.
Okay, and the Popeyes one, what do you rate it? Okay, I rate the Chick-fil-A one an 8.
Seven.
And the Popeyes one?
8.5.
I give the Popeyes one like a 6.5.
Sit the fuck down.
I don't like. I would never want to go back there and get that.
But if you haven't tried it, go try it. But if the line's more than 15 cars in there, get the fuck out of there. And we'll be back with another video soon. So I hope y'all stay tuned. Keep supporting our channel. We love you guys. And yeah, like my girl said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and all that. Peace.